Right. Hi, everybody. My name is Kevin, and for my project, I decided to do a file manager app. For the description, the main feature is that it allows the user to organize and manage files and folders that are stored on the device. With files, you can delete, rename, and copy and paste the files. With folders, you can create, rename them, delete them, and modify the contents inside of those folders using the features described before. An additional feature, the user is able to identify what type of file each file is based on the little icon associated with the file. For low-level functionalities, the main ones I used were just file input-output operations, dealing with permissions, the environment, and user interfaces. I did this with several APIs like the Java input-output API, stuff like file input stream, file output stream. For permissions, I use like the Activity Manager API and Package Manager API. For an environment, I use the environment class to get the storage location, which provides access to the environment related info. And I use Activity Manager API and other things for the user interface. For screenshots, real fast before we get into the demo, the first screenshot is showing like when you first boot up the app, asking for permissions. This is just like the regular screen. This is the download folder with one file in it, and this is the folder with a bunch of populated info. So now for the demo part, I'm gonna first, I'm gonna populate it with data from my computer. I'm gonna refresh it. There we go. Now we have a bunch of data here. Um, First, let's delete a file. Let's just delete this video. So we're gonna say delete. Yes, for sure, we delete it. Let's say we want to rename a video. Let's rename this technical interviews practice. Let's rename it to let's name it just technical practice. Rename. There we go. Now we see technical practice. Let's copy and paste a folder. Let's say we want to copy and paste transcript doc. So let's take it and let's put it in podcasts. There we go. Now it's in the podcast folder. Let's say that we want to create a folder. Let's go in our downloads folder and let's create hey. Now we have a folder named hey. Let's rename this folder. Oh no, dang it. Wow, that's a good run.